Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the euro again, I've been saying that it looks like it wants to go down, but the problem is that it did go down. Then the move down looks so corrective that it makes me think now that it probably is going to go back up, and this is going to be a 1, 2, 3 pattern. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, very, very, very overlapping price action, which makes me think that this is not going to just take off to the downside, but maybe instead this is the A, and then this is your A of B, and this is your B of B, and it potentially goes up and makes a C of B, maybe back up to these highs, and then maybe turns down for the bigger wave C. The whole market is in a little bit of a range right now because it is August, and August is a very slow month because so many people are on vacation. But if you're trading a very short time frames, I mean, it definitely is still putting some pretty decent price action. So definitely just make sure you're going with the flow from your higher roadmap time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.